Hi, my name is Steve Preston. I'm the sales representative here at United Foodservice Solutions, dedicated to Carpigiani equipment. Today we'll be making caramel pecan ice cream here in our Ready 302 True 2 batch freezer, which is capable of producing sorbetto, gelato, and ice cream. The ingredients for this recipe include heavy whipping cream, whole milk, pre-gel butter pecan sprint, roasted pecans, and caramelate arabeshi. Let's go mix it up. Here we have our caramel pecan recipe. We've gone ahead and mixed everything together. Let's go ahead and throw it in the batch freezer and make some ice cream. With the Carpigiani Ready 302G True 2 batch freezer, you have the ability to produce both ice cream and gelato. The beater motor spins at 2 speeds depending on your production of ice cream or gelato. You have the fastest freezing times in the industry of under 7 minutes or less, and you're going to get the creamiest and most consistent product with the best flavors. Here's our caramel pecan ice cream. I'm going to slowly put the caramel topping on, and then once I get it on, I'm going to go ahead and mix it in to variegate it in the ice cream, and then I will go ahead and put the pecans on top once I finish this. If you'd like to gather some more information on Carpigiani equipment, please visit our website, ufss.net. If you'd like to schedule a demo, you could contact our office, 517-627-8180.